Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in Outback, WA, 3 days before New Year. Got the boys, got Lewis and Travis giving me a hand. Front end loader, the 239 D3, and we are doing a little sand pad. So it's pretty much, it's all been boxed out. We just come in here, push the sand in, final trim, compact in 300mm layers. But yeah, this is the job here. Just a little sand pad for 4 gas cylinders to be installed. So yeah, very windy, but hopefully you guys can hear me. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is set the time lapse up. Got the front end loader warmed up, got the 239 warmed up, going to grease the 239. And let's get this sand pad done. Again, posting the video a couple of days before New Year. I want to get back in the rhythm, get some more content out. Yeah, all right, let's get this. All the sand's gone, loader is loaded up on the trailer. There's maybe 15 cubes left, 12 cubes left. Boys are trimming, doing the last bit of trimming. Hope you guys like this video. Was a short one, but hey, it's a video. Hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, share, and I want to keep making more videos, so boys, smash it out. Good morning, 29th of December, and we are pouring our last house slab. The last slab of the year. So I'm just picking up Travis. Job's already set up, ready to go. My brother's on his way there. Start chairing up. We've got no pump for this job. We're reversing the truck onto the house pad, as we couldn't get a pump. Everyone's shot. So yeah, let's get this last house slab of the year. Woo! A bit of a break. Alright. See you at the job. Alrighty, concrete just got here. Obviously no pump today, like I said before. So what we're going to do is we've got tracks down in Jarrah's, drive the truck onto the house pad, and get this house slab poured. Last one for the year. So I'll get the time lapse going and grab the screed, and just me, Travis, and my brother Jaden today, and we'll get it smashed out. Yo, it's very windy today. The wind is blowing a gale. So, let's see how it goes. Alright, time lapse. So just seeing down a time lapse pouring the concrete. Got my brother Jade on the stick trailer, Travis packing up. The wind is just howling from this side, all the sound blowing over. It's gone off like a bullet, that's why I didn't get a chance to time lapse the first machine. But yeah, car machine's on, and we are finishing. So that's the finished product there. That's the third routine I hit. Alright, keep going. So that's it guys, it's 12:30 and the slab is finished. We started at 6 this morning pouring. 3 guys, 230 squares, 12:30. Last job of the year. Last job of the year. Boys smashed it all packed up. Got the trial machine in the work car. Time to call it a day. Alright, see you guys next video. Peace.